Okay, we have written another integral from the MIT integration bee from 2024, problem 19. We have the integral of x to the fourth over 2x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 6x plus 3 dx. Okay, now to get started with this, we actually have the case where the power in the numerator is the same or greater than the power in the denominator. So this would be a good case for polynomial long division. Now I almost always try to avoid that just because it can be tedious and there's other ways to do it. But in this case, just because we have so many terms here on the denominator and we just got one term in the numerator, I think polynomial long division is about as good as manipulating it. Because if I manipulate this, I'm going to have to add all these terms. So why don't we just go ahead and do the long division. Okay, now for our long division, this really works the same way as like just doing long division with numbers. We want to divide our denominator into the numerator here. And really what I want to do is I just want to really focus on the first term. I want to figure out, okay, what do I need to multiply 2x to the fourth by in order to get x to the fourth? Well, this will work if we just create 1/2 here. 1/2 times 2x to the fourth is x to the fourth. So let's just multiply 1/2 through everything. So we're going to have x to the fourth. 1/2 times minus 4x cubed minus 2x cubed. 1/2 times 6x squared. We'll have 3x squared minus 3x plus 3/2. Then from here, we just want to subtract everything. So when we do that, the x to the fourth, those are going to cancel out. And then we're going to have the minus times everything here. So like minus times minus 2x cubed is going to give me 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 3/2. And now what we've done by dividing this denominator into the numerator, we found the value for the whole expression is going to be 1/2, but we're going to have this remainder right here. And that remainder we have to put back over the denominator. So putting that all together, what we can do is rewrite this whole expression as 1/2 plus this thing here, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 3/2 over this denominator, and we'll just write that in. So then with this reduced, notice now our power here is less in the numerator than the denominator. I can take this, we can just put this back into our integral, integrate it, and finish it off. Okay, so now what I've done is actually split this into two integrals. Of course, this first one's going to be easy, and hopefully this one's not going to be too bad either. So on the second one, it's not quite clear yet how it's going to work, but what I want to try to make happen is a u substitution. So I'm going to try to make the whole denominator equal to u. So we'll write all this stuff out. And then next I'll just go ahead and we'll take our derivative down here. So derivative of this is going to be, it's all just power rules. This is going to become 8x cubed minus 12x squared plus 12x minus 6 dx. And now what I want to happen is I want this whole du, I want this to be my numerator, and it's not quite working. Well, what I can do here, what you might notice is I can actually fix this. If I just multiply this whole thing by 4, distributing that 4 in, this is going to become 8x cubed minus 12x squared plus 12x minus 6. So just by doing this, I've created my du, but I don't want to change it, so let's just multiply by 1/4 out front. And so now we can just go ahead with this. I'll just do this first one because this is just going to be half x. And then over here, we're going to have 1/4, and we'll do our substitution. So again, the whole numerator is du, and this is going to be over u. We'll go ahead and integrate it. We'll bring down this first part. So we're going to have 1/4. It's just going to become natural log absolute value of u. And so I just need to back substitute in order to finish this off. So for my final solution, it's going to be a long expression. We're going to have 1/2 plus 1/4. Natural log, absolute value, all this stuff, 2x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 6x plus 3, absolute value, plus c, add a plus c, and that's it. Add a plus c on there, and that's it. Okay, so there you have it, the rare case where I'll do polynomial long division. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.